there, preppers and vintage low-tech lighting enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the Housewise Premium Paraffin Lamp Oil, your go-to for a reliable light source when the power's out. This stuff is amazing. It's odorless, smokeless, and burns cleanly in a modern lamp. I decided to get a bit historical and tried it in this ancient clay oil lamp. Spoiler alert. It's not the oil's fault. I almost needed a smoke detector. Lesson learned. Ancient technology doesn't always play nice with modern advancements. Remember, paraffin oil isn't just for lamps. Here's a few more ways it can help you stay prepared. Emergency candles. They burn longer and cleaner. Fire starters. A great aid for your campfires. Cleaning tools and equipment keeps them rust-free and in top condition. Stick to modern lamps for the best results. Stay ready and keep your home bright. Use the links below to get your own and support the channel.